Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off VoiceOver Auto Select Speaker in call on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, go down and tap on VoiceOver. Then we scroll down and tap on Audio. Then tap on Auto Select Speaker in Call. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And it says here, during audio calls, automatically switch to the speaker when not holding your iPhone to your ear. And that's it. So after you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.